you're still alive. Probably in your community or your family or people around, they were living a righteous life. They are not involved with the kind of things that you were involved into. But today they are no longer. Do you still remember why you're still alive? Do you know why you're still alive? It's because of love. Somebody say love. Love. This love is not what we share to people and say and tell the person, I love you, I love you, I love you. Because whenever a guy says I love you, he tries to polish what you want to say, I want to have sex with you. So you want to make it diplomatic, I love you. But the love Christ has for you is to make you better than your old self. He wants to bring you back to your original life. The reason you were born on earth, Jeremiah 29:11, he said, I know the plan I have for you. So you were designed from the mind of the designer. Your purpose on the earth was designed, but while you were born, you enter mess. And you try to run with life without the designer plan. While you still went off on your own struggle, he was still gazing out for you. He still searched for you. And Jesus, now in verse 2, read verse 2 again. Verse 2. 1 John chapter 3, verse 2. Beloved. Beloved. Do you know everyone beloved? You know the thing they call beloved meaning? You now reach the stage that I can fuck you. Our life was still stained with sin. The sin of being of abortion, the sin of gossip, the sin of witchcraft, the sin of drunkenness, the sin of committing adultery and fornication. But Christ still embraced us. He said, beloved, while you are still saying that somebody come from the mall, they say I come from wedding, somebody wear a good clothes like this, and he comes and he's down the home. He said, no, I said, don't mind it, come close to me. With your daughter, your life being very stained. Christ. And how did he do that? He willingly went on the cross. At the Garden of Gethsemane, you gotta know that when he knelt down to pray, the Bible said he was fighting war. So even the drop of his sweat was like blood. It is believed that he had to struggle to get your life back. And that's why Titus chapter 2 verse 11, it said that grace that have come or that have brought peace and salvation appeared to all men. Grace, and mean you didn't work for it. You were sick at home and Christ died. You were still in sin, Christ died. Now, a few years back, last year, you did your worst. Why you did? Other people did it, but they didn't reach this far.